Hey everyone! Today we're taking an in-depth look at Allstate Mobile, the insurance services app that puts policy management, claims, and support right in your pocket. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by insurance paperwork or calls, this app aims to make everything more accessible, quicker, and easier to handle from your phone. Right when you open the app, you'll notice how clean and organized it feels. The main dashboard gives you a clear snapshot of your active policies, whether it's auto, home, renters, or other coverage, and lets you jump directly into the things you need most. Instead of digging through emails or searching for documents, you can view your policy details, payment history, coverage limits, and renewal dates all in one place. That centralization alone saves a lot of time and stress. One of the strongest features of Allstate Mobile is how it handles claims. Filing a claim used to mean phone calls, forms, and waiting, but the app streamlines this. You can start a claim right from the app, upload photos of the damage or accident, enter details, and track the status in real time. The progress updates keep you informed, so you're not left wondering what's happening behind the scenes. For many users, this makes a big difference when dealing with something stressful like an accident or storm damage. Another helpful aspect is digital ID cards. Instead of carrying a physical card, you just pull up your insurance card in the app. Perfect for roadside needs or proof of insurance during a traffic stop. The app also supports in-app payments, so paying premiums or adjusting billing info is quick and doesn't require switching to a separate website or service. The app also includes resources for support. There's easy access to customer service, roadside assistance, and educational tools to help you understand your coverage better. If you ever feel confused about what your policy covers or what options you have, those resources can make the information much more digestible. Of course, no app is perfect. Some users report occasional slow load times during peak usage or when opening large documents. And while the layout is generally intuitive, first-time insurance app users might take a little time to explore all the menus and options. But overall, the experience feels deliberate and user-focused, not cluttered or overwhelming. In short, Allstate Mobile turns what used to be paperwork and phone calls into a manageable mobile experience. It's really useful for anyone with Allstate insurance, especially if you want quick access to policy info, digital ID cards, and a smoother way to handle claims or payments. If you found this review helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more real-world app breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me what you want reviewed next.